What is up, besties? It's your favorite bestie back on the scene with another video. You already know the deal. If you haven't seen me on your screen before, I am Selena Crystal, your new bestie. So make sure y'all stick around. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, girl. Make sure y'all like this video before it even gets started and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below on how you feel about this video. What else y'all want to see? New videos y'all want to see? If y'all mess with the voiceovers and stuff like that, let me know all that in the comment below. Make sure you're notified every time that I post, and make sure you follow me on all my social medias, which is right here on the screen. So my Instagram, of course, original.selena with 2 A's. TikTok, original.selena with 3 A's. And Snapchat, I don't really be on, but y'all can follow me still too. All right, let's hop straight into this video. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm just gonna start off with putting a little bit of the Kiss glue on the edges of her bald cap. So yes, I already braided her down, put her bald cap on. I did use Ebin spray to spray it down and to dry it, put the blow dryer on it, and now I cut off the excess and just laying down those edges, those little pieces that like to try to come up, just laying those down a little bit right now. And I am having her hold the blow dryer on cool, not hot. We don't want to burn our clients, we do not want to burn anybody, so it is on cool, and she is holding it down while I put that glue on there just a little bit. This is not for, you know, the wig, this is just for the cap, so it's melting into her skin. So some parts that y'all are not gonna see is I did put the makeup on already. I did this stuff on my TikTok, so watch my TikTok to see how that went. Put the makeup on there on the cap and also on the wig, so it's matching her skin complexion. Okay, we do not want no ashy wigs. Okay, no ashy wigs. Okay, you guys also want to measure out your wigs to see how it's gonna fit, but you want to let the glue dry before doing that, because you will have a mess if it is not dry and you're measuring out the wig to fit their head. So now I'm gonna go in with 3 layers of glue so she can have a long lasting hold. Want to make sure that your layers are smooth. You do not want any clumpy glue because it's gonna make it hard, so smooth it out with the comb and the end of the rat tail. Now you see, as I put the lace down, I'm going to be pressing it in with that comb, and I also do use the rat tail to press any little, you know, cut-offs from the lace, because this is a used lace already, well, used wig already.
It's okay. Secret safe with me. I gotta make sure Tommy's gonna arrive anyway, so
Is this recorded? Right?
Is your truck?
Y'all see how I got her ass. Okay, let's get back to the tutorial. Okay, before y'all put the wigs on too, please hot comb the hairs, the baby hairs, straight back, especially if you're using a pre-used wig, because you will have problems. I've gotten it stuck in the glue. I have done it before. Please take my advice. Hot comb them hairs back. I'm not playing with y'all. Hot comb them hairs back, okay? That's the last time I'm gonna tell y'all. All right, now I'm just gonna go in and start working on the style as she is melting. I did use spritz and hairspray on her lace. Now when using hairspray and spritz for the lace, you want to spray it on your finger and then onto the lace. Do not spray it directly on it or it will come up. And I am using that. You want to blow dry it cool before putting your band on, and then put the band on and let it melt more. Now I'm going in styling it, so she's just keeping it curly, straight, bust down, you know. Yeah, so I am, you know, putting product in it, leaving conditioner, some mousse, some water, getting it wet, and then I am going to flatten out that top. Y'all see that? Y'all see how flat that is? Yeah, because who love a bust down, period. We love a good bust down, babe. And yeah, y'all see me setting up for my TikTok. Go watch the dang TikTok. All right, y'all can see everything real clear. Now y'all about to see this lace, baby. Y'all gonna see how good that melt is. Okay, period. And then you gonna do them baby hairs, and yeah, that's it. That's all to it, babe. What ashy lace? No, we don't do that over here. Make sure that shit match. Oh, I ain't even do all that, but I ain't redoing this. I done did this 3 times. All right, that is the end of the video, y'all. That's it.
Period.
Like she said, period. Yeah, and we out. Love y'all, besties. Bye.
It feels like Christmas. It feels lovely.